Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CSC Scholar Studies. In this lecture, I will discuss the different types of the language and what is the expressive power in a TOC. So, there are four types of a language, and all there is also four types of grammar according to the language, and also there are four types of automata machine based on these language and grammar. First language is a regular language, and second is a context free, and third is a context sensitive language, and last is a recursive enumerable language. And based on this language, there is a four types of grammar. One is a type 3 grammar, also called a regular grammar, and second is a type 2 grammar. It is also called a context free grammar, and last third is a type 1 grammar, and it is also called a context sensitive grammar, and last is a type 0 grammar, and it is also called a unrestricted grammar. Based on this grammar, there are also four types of automata machine according to the regular language, and the automata machine is called the finite automata. Finite, which I have already discussed in the previous lectures. According to the context-free language, the automata machine is called the push-down automata. Push-down automata. Right here, push-down automata. And according to the context-sensitive language, the automata is called the linear bounded automata. Linear bounded automata. And according to the recursive language, the automata machine is called the Turing machine, yeah, Turing automata. These are the four types of automata based on this language and grammar. So this is the figure here. We represent the different four types of language. First is a regular language, and according to the regular language, the automata is a finite automata. According to the context-free language, the automata is a push down automata, and according to the context sensitive, the automata machine is called the LBA, matlab linear bounded automata, and for the recursive enumerable language, the Turing automata is called the Turing machine, TM. These are the automata according to the language, and further this automata is also divided in different types. First, we will discuss the finite automata. There are two types of automata. One is a DFA, which I have already discussed in the previous lecture, and one is the NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. This is discussed in the coming lecture. Push-down automata is also divided as DPDA, deterministic, and non-deterministic, NPDA. Linear bounded is also divided at DLBA and NLBA. And Turing machine is also divided by DTM and NTM. These are the language, and according to the different automata machine based on the language and the grammar. So, what is expressive power? The definition says that number of language accepted by particular automata is known as the expressive power of that automata. मतलब कि किसी भी automata की expressive power वो होती है जिसमें ये हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कि कितनी नंबर ऑफ लैंग्वेज एक्सेप्ट होती है, वो उसकी एक्सप्रेसिव पावर के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, राइट. सपोज ये इस फिगर से हम देख सकते हैं रेगुलर लैंग्वेज जो है सबसे बीच में आता है, और REL मीन्स रिकर्सिव लैंग्वेज सबसे टॉप पे है. तो अगर जो रेगुलर लैंग्वेज होगी वो CFL में भी आ रही है, और जो CFL है वो CSL में भी आ रही है. मतलब सबसे पावरफुल जो होगा आपका रेगुलर लैंग्वेज इसमें भी आएगी, इसमें भी आएगी, इसमें भी आएगी। तो सबसे पावरफुल जो लैंग्वेज है REL है, मीन्स सॉरी सबसे ज़्यादा लैंग्वेज किस में है, REL में है, मीन्स करस्पॉन्डिंग ट्यूरिंग मशीन क्या है इस, सॉरी ऑटोमेटा क्या है, ट्यूरिंग मशीन। मतलब सबसे पावरफुल आपका हो जाएगा TM, क्योंकि इसमें सारी लैंग्वेजेस आ रही हैं, तो सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ लैंग्वेज किस में आ जाएगी, ट्यूरिंग मशीन में आ जाएगी, तो सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल ट्यूरिंग मशीन में आ जाएगा। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट उसमें आ जाएगा CSL, इसमें आपका ये CFL भी आएगा और रेगुलर तो आएगा ही आएगा। तो नेक्स्ट आ जाए आपकी मशीन आ जाएगी, इसकी करस्पॉन्डिंग क्या थी, हमने लास्ट स्लाइड में देखा था LBA, मतलब इसके बाद हमारी जो मशीन आ जाएगी LBA आ जाएगी। उसके बाद हमारा क्या आ जाएगा, नंबर ऑफ लैंग्वेज किस में है, CFL है, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग ऑटोमेटा है PDA, राइट। तो हमारा जो आ जाएगा PDA हो जाएगा। फिर सबसे लास्ट में आ जाएगा हमारा फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा। इसको आप नोट डाउन कर लो कि सीक्वेंस है एक्सप्रेसिव पावर, सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव पावर है ट्यूरिंग मशीन की, देन LBA, देन PDA, देन फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा। We will check the expressive power of different types of these machines. So first we will write the expressive power of TM. Sorry, this is the LPDA, LBA, and next is a PDA, and next Turing machine of finite automata. This is the sequence of the expressive power of the different types of automata machine. So I will check there are two types of Turing machine. One is a DTM and second is a NTM. The expressive power of DTM and NTM are same, and there are two types of automata, LBA and DLBA. DLBA and NLBA. This is the not defined what is the more powerful machine among these, so we will not say anything which machine is a more powerful among these two. So this is the question mark. Next, PDA is divided into two parts, TPDA and NPDA. There are more powerful is NPDA among these two machine, DPDA and NPDA. NPDA is more powerful. And next is a finite automata divided into DFA and NFA. Both are the same power. So the sequence is a DTM is equal to NTM, and DLB is NLB BA, and NPDA and DPDA and DFA is equal to NFA. This is the sequence of the expressive power of the expressive power of the finite automata machines. When we say that DTM and NTM is the same power, means we conversion is possible here, because both machine is the same power, so we convert DTM into NTM. Same here, DFA and NFA is the same power machine, so we convert the NFA into DFA. Conversion is possible here. So in the next coming lecture, I will see the conversion of NFA into DFA. So this is all about the expressive power and different types of language and corresponding the different type of automata. So thank you.